The City of Armadale is a great place to live with a huge range of outdoor activities, but not only locals love our natural environment. Mosquitoes love it too. Did you know hundreds of mosquito eggs in slow-moving or stagnant water can hatch in as little as 6 days, and mosquitoes can spread viruses like Ross River virus and Barmah Forest virus? So what can you do? Breeding areas can be places around your home. Eliminate standing water from pot plants and empty containers like buckets, watering cans, wheelbarrows and tyres. Apply insect repellent that contains DEET or picaridin. For more effective coverage, apply by hand to ensure even application. And if you're going to be outdoors for longer, be sure to reapply as per the instructions. Wear loose long-sleeve shirts and long pants to cover as much skin as possible and avoid known mosquito habitats, especially around dusk and dawn. The city has a mosquito management program that involves trapping adult mosquitoes, dipping suspected breeding sites and treating with approved products that target mosquito larvae. The good news is they're not harmful to the environment, people or our own furry friends. So let's work together and do our part to fight the bite this mosquito season.